Hey everybody, this is Joe with SignTracker. You might know me from trade shows or from the Behind the Signs community on Facebook. I'm there. I live there. But before that life, I was actually a sign shop owner. So I started a sign shop many years ago, and I was very fortunate. I started off with just two people, my business partner and myself, and the company grew to over 60 employees and 10 million in sales over the course of 10 years. But I think the key to that was understanding right from the beginning, I needed to have a system in place to help me to track jobs, to do quotes accurately, to assign tasks to employees, to be able to have the information that I needed to communicate with clients. And it wasn't perfect. I mean, we basically made a lot of mistakes, figured out how to fix the mistakes, built systems around fixing those mistakes. And over the course of 10 years, we developed what is now known as SignTracker. When I sold my company and I first went out to actually work on SignTracker full time, we took what I had at my shop and made it as simple as possible so that we could actually develop an application. That's where we started. And then from there, as we went out and went to trade shows and talked to sign shop owners and saw the different types of problems and pain points they were having, slowly but surely, we started adding things to SignTracker, but not overdeveloping. Because that was the one big complaint from a lot of sign shop owners, was that the systems that are out there are so expensive. And even more important than that, they're bloated. So, a lot of times you're paying for an application where maybe you're only using 10 or 20% of it, but you're paying 100% of the fees. So with SignTracker, as we begin to, gain traction and get more and more sign shops on board, it was great because we built the system around talking to sign shop owners like yourself, for example. And, we found that maybe what worked for my sign shop, I mean, we were a bigger electric sign shop, wasn't what some of the smaller sign shops and some shops that just do wrap work or just banners and yard signs. And then, of course, we have many customers that do electric signs as well. But it was nice to be able to build a system around conversations that we were having with sign shop owners. So I just, I want to take this moment to just tell you how important it is. And I don't care if you're a one-person shop or a 50-person shop, to have a system in place so that you can track your jobs, that you can produce accurate quotes, that you have the information that you need to communicate to your clients about their projects, and you have a place where your employees can go and figure out what they have to do every day. Try SignTracker. It's really no risk. You can try it free for 2 weeks. Just go to sign-tracker.com. Try it for free. Simple to sign up, just a few easy steps. We have a great support team that'll help you through your trial period. I do 2 live webinars a week. If you go to the dashboard of the app, once you sign up, there are tons of resources for getting started. Love to see you try SignTracker. I think it's going to solve a lot of problems in your shop. So I hope that you'll give it a whirl. Again, it's at sign-tracker.com. Try it for free for 14 days. Looking forward to connecting with you and helping you grow your sign shop together. Thanks a bunch.